Vanguard Safety. Vanguard Safety is a Korean company that has more than 20 years of experience in manufacturing glove dipping machine. Head office and manufacturing plant are in Korea. We installed 108 machines in 10 countries from 1998 to 2021 over the world, including India, Turkey, and Argentina. We customize the machine by reviewing the customer's target production volume, target item, and local conditions. To produce target items, we conduct technical training directly on site with formulations tailored to local conditions. It takes 3 to 4 months to manufacture the machine, approximately 1 month for sea transportation, and 1 month for on-site installation and commissioning of the machine. It takes 6 months in total. All process, including machine manufacturing and installation, are carried out under the management of Korean head office, and local installation and technical support are also directly dispatched by head office staff. After the machine is installed, as service is guaranteed for 1 year. In addition, we offer the best follow-up service. Experience the highest quality of Vanguard Safety Korea official at the highest level. Check out who is Vanguard Safety.